In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate any payment processor to QuickBooks in just 5 minutes. If you're someone who manages your finances using QuickBooks and wants to streamline the process of connecting your payment processor, then you've come to the right place. By the end of this video, you'll have a seamless setup that saves you time and effort. Let's get started right away. To begin, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks sign-in page. Once there, you'll see the Sign In button. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a page where you're prompted to choose the type of QuickBooks account you use. For this process, you'll want to select QuickBooks Online. This option is specifically designed for online users, and selecting it ensures you have access to the right features for integrating payment processors efficiently. Next, it's time to type in your credentials, enter your username and password associated with your QuickBooks account and hit continue. It's vital to make sure your credentials are entered correctly to avoid any delays or errors during this process. Once you've logged in, you will find yourself on the QuickBooks dashboard. From here, locate the Apps menu. This is where you'll be able to find the third-party applications that you can integrate with QuickBooks, which includes various payment processors. Click the Apps menu to proceed to the next step. When you're on the Apps page, look for the Overview option. Clicking on Overview gives you a summary of the available applications and a way to manage them effectively. Here you will see a search bar where you can type in the name of the payment processor you wish to connect. Enter the specific name of your payment processor in the search bar and press enter. You'll be presented with options related to your query. Make sure you choose the correct application from the search results to prevent any integration issues. Once you have located your desired payment processor, select it. This will guide you through the process to connect it to your QuickBooks account. At this point, you'll be prompted to log into your payment account. Use your payment processor credentials to sign in. After logging in, follow the on-screen prompts to authorize the connection between your payment processor and QuickBooks. This connection allows automatic syncing of transaction data, making the reconciliation process far more efficient. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you've now successfully integrated your payment processor with QuickBooks. This should greatly enhance your financial management process, helping ensure that your payment and accounting systems work together seamlessly. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out more of our videos for additional QuickBooks tips and tricks.